Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming what you have and acting now. Android or iPhone changes the tool in steps. Sign into the appropriate service on a second device or computer, then immediately attempt a location ping. Once done, trigger sound to locate if it's nearby, and lock the phone with a remote passcode so no one can access your data. Make sure to note the last seen time and battery indicator. This tells you how fresh the location data is and whether retrieval is probable. With initial data in hand, triangulate using movement history and timestamps to narrow search zones. Open Google Timeline or Apple's Map to see a path. Cross-reference with Wi-Fi names and timestamps. Once you identify likely areas, plan a safe retrieval. Do not confront strangers. If the device shows rapid movement or is off, notify your carrier to suspend service and it may block the device. Also, lock accounts with two-factor authentication and change passwords to mitigate account takeover while you continue tracking. For finalizing recovery, prepare proof of ownership and report to police with the IMEI or serial number. Give them the last known coordinates and movement pattern. If you reach the location, approach safely or send someone trusted. If remote access is possible, attempt a safe recovery by calling and using a loud sound. If the device won't come online or is compromised, perform a remote factory wipe to protect data. If tracking fails, retry sign in later. The device may reconnect. Make sure to preserve timestamps for investigations.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.